From my point of view, the modular structure of this dehumidifier is make me totally inspired. I mean, they still demonstrated a masterful balance of functions and forms, while it's maintaining a sleek aesthetic. In the marketing, there are so many similar products, and all of the design language are more or less like the white and cute. But in this product, and they make this modular structure and makes it more functional. And there are so many R&D investments in this sort of product. They set a new benchmark for this sort of household appliances.